everyone, and welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. I'm Lakshay Kumar, Junior Corporate Outreach Officer here at DBE, and we are back with another episode of Internship Stories 2021, where we talk about the achievements and learnings of the students in the summer internship as a part of the flagship MBA program provided by the Institute. Today we have with us Ms. Ranjika of Batch 2022, who interned at Zygram. Hello, Ranjika. We are delighted to have you here.
Hello, Lakshay. I'm also really happy to be here as well.
That's really great, Ranjika. We would love to know more about you before we discuss your experience at Zygram.
Okay, so actually, I'm from Kolkata. Before this, I did my graduation from University of Calcutta in Economics Honors, and right now I'm pursuing MBA from the Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. My specializations are marketing and analytics. Apart from this, I'm also interested in performing arts like acting and dancing, and I also have a keen interest in baking.
That's amazing to know, Ranjika. So let's start with the first part of the conversation, where we talk about your internship experience. Tell us about what Zygram does and what was your overall experience of working with the company.
Sure. So Zygram is a data technology organization which operates in the data asset space. Their aim is to deliver value to clients by building solutions, developing data assets, and managing projects across use cases, thereby boosting revenues and reducing the cost of doing business in a data-driven world. And in this organization, I was working as a program management intern.
That's really amazing. And can you tell us more about your profile and also some details about the project you worked on there?
Sure, I would love to. So my responsibilities as a program management intern included working with the operations team in the risk and advisory domain. So the responsibilities were to assist in the development of of a product that was being built within the organization under AML KYC, which included working on the operational aspects of the development of the product, conducting research on its market and competitor landscape, and also to find out a macro view of the industry and the future trends of the particular product.
Great, that must have been a good experience. So, what was your biggest learning there?
Right. So one of the most important things that I learned in my internship is that there are so many factors that need to be taken into account today, to function in a modern day world as a business. And that business can be across any sector. But for example, I really learned a lot about third party risk. And that was really eye opening for me.
That's great, Ranjika. So, how would you describe your internship experience in one word?
I would say it was really an enlightening experience.
Thank you for all the answers, Ranjika. Let's move on to the next part of our conversation. So, can you tell us about how your learnings at DB has helped you in this internship?
Okay. So since I started my run in DBE, we were always asked to go beyond. When you are studying, just go beyond only the text that you are prescribed. So this really helped me going with the research and the deep dive that I had to make during my internship, and it really helped me prepare the reports that I had to present at the end of my tenure.
That's great, Ranjika. I'm hoping I'll get the same experience here at DB. So, what was your involvement here in DB? Are you a part of any club or committee?
Yes, actually, I'm the head of the placements committee in DBE, which means that I lead the team, which is involved in bringing in opportunities uh, for our batchmates and our juniors for life projects, summer internships, and final placements.
So, let's move on to the last part of our conversation, which is a rapid fire round.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah, so I'll be asking you a couple of questions, and you have to reply with whatever comes in your mind first.
Okay.
So the first question is, what is your dream profession?
Maybe to open a bakery someday.
And one interpersonal skill that helped you a lot in first year.
My communication skills.
What's the first thing you notice about someone when you meet them?
Not just what they're saying, their body language as well.
What is your favorite TV series to binge watch?
Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
What were you doing before this interview?
Watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
That's amazing. Thank you, Ranjika. Thank you for taking this time to do this and sharing your experience. And we are sure that this would help our viewers in understanding the intricacies of your work profile. And it was truly great conversing with you.
Thank you so much, Laksha. I really hope that this will be helpful to my juniors and everyone who's watching this. I hope it does.
Thank you all for watching. Share it with your peers and see you all in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.